Hey guys, quick video today going over which Rokus have Bluetooth built into them. So for Roku devices, it's going to be the higher end Roku Ultras. If you have one of those, it probably has Bluetooth built into it. If you have a Roku streaming bar, it should have Bluetooth built into it. And then if you have a Roku branded TV, if you have a Roku Plus or a Pro Series Roku TV, again, it should have Bluetooth built into it. And to show you where you can check this out on the Roku menu page, we're gonna go down to our settings. And then in our settings, we're gonna go over to remotes and devices. And then from here, when you click add new device, if it gives you the option for different Bluetooth devices, that means you have Bluetooth in your device. So pairing something like wireless headphones, for instance, you can see it says pair your Bluetooth wireless headphones. We click select on that and continue. And then it's going to search for Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode. So I hope this quick guide was helpful going over which Roku devices have Bluetooth built into it. Again, it's the more premium Roku Ultra devices, the Roku branded TVs that are the Roku Pro and Plus series, also Roku streaming bars. Those are the things that should have Bluetooth built into them. So that's gonna wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by and subscribe for more content in the future.